Imagine earning money while you sleep, steadily watching your wealth grow without any constant effort. Sounds impossible, doesn't it? But it's not magic, it's ETFs. Curious yet? Here's the catch. Most beginners miss out because investing feels complicated and intimidating. But what if investing was actually as simple as online shopping? Keep watching, because you're about to discover exactly how ETFs can effortlessly build your wealth, even if you've never invested before. What are ETFs exactly? Let's clarify, what exactly are ETFs? Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are investment vehicles traded on the stock exchange that contain a diversified collection of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Think of ETFs as professionally curated investment portfolios you can easily buy and sell like individual stocks. Rather than placing your financial future at risk by selecting single stocks, ETFs offer a safer route by spreading your investments across various industries and sectors. This strategic diversification reduces your risk and maximizes potential long-term growth. Now that's smart investing. Why are ETFs perfect for beginners? You might be thinking, why ETFs specifically? Can't I just buy individual stocks or mutual funds instead? It's a fair question, and the answer might surprise you. Buying individual stocks can feel thrilling, but it's like placing all your bets on a single roll of the dice. Pick wrong and you could lose big. Mutual funds, on the other hand, can offer safer diversification but often come with higher fees and less flexibility. ETFs brilliantly combine the best of both worlds. They offer the ease and flexibility of trading stocks coupled with the diversification, lower costs and stability usually associated with mutual funds. Imagine experiencing the excitement of investing without worrying about huge risks or complex details. Sounds like a dream scenario, right? Alright, let's spark your curiosity. Here are the top ETFs every beginner should consider. 1. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, also known as VOO. What if you could invest alongside the giants, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Tesla, in just one simple step? With VOO, you're instantly invested in America's 500 strongest companies. Your success grows alongside these industry leaders, effortlessly linking your future to their proven growth and innovation. iShares Core MSCI Total International Stock ETF, or IXUS. Why limit yourself to just the United States? IXUS puts the global economy within your grasp, allowing you to own shares of powerful companies from Europe, Asia, and emerging markets all at once. Imagine effortlessly benefiting from global growth without borders. Now that's investing without limits. Know you've been a good friend. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, also known as VTI. What if you could own a tiny piece of nearly every publicly traded company in America, from rising startups to legendary brands? VTI does exactly that. This incredible ETF lets you diversify your investments across thousands of U.S. businesses, creating an easy, stable, and powerful strategy to grow your wealth. Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, or SCHD. Know you've been a good friend. Picture receiving steady, regular cash payments directly to your account without lifting a finger. SCHD focuses on high-quality, stable U.S. companies known for rewarding their shareholders with consistent dividends. It's the smart investor's way of earning passive income, building your wealth one dividend payment at a time. How much money do you need to start investing? So here's the exciting truth. You don't need thousands or even hundreds of dollars to become an investor. Believe it or not, you can start your investment journey today with just a few dollars in your pocket. Thanks to fractional shares offered by modern brokerage platforms, you can invest in premium ETFs even with just your spare change. $5, $10, or whatever you can comfortably afford. Think about it. Your spare coffee money today could grow into significant wealth tomorrow. The doors to investing have never been more open, so why wait? Inspired and ready to start your investing journey? Here's your quick professional guide to jumpstart your financial future immediately. Choose your brokerage platform wisely. Select beginner-friendly brokerage platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard. They make investing straightforward and hassle-free. Clearly define your investment goals. Whether you're aiming for early retirement, purchasing your dream house, or achieving financial independence, clearly defined goals help you stay motivated and focused. Be consistent. Remember, successful investing isn't about timing the market perfectly, it's about regularly investing even small amounts. Consistent contributions over time turn small savings into substantial wealth. Before you jump into investing, here's something crucial. Knowing the common mistakes beginners make can save you from costly setbacks. Ignoring hidden fees. Did you know even tiny fees can silently erode your investment returns over time? Always choose low-cost ETFs to ensure you keep more of your hard-earned money. Chasing after trendy investments. Sure, flashy new ETFs promising quick riches might be tempting, but they often come with higher risks. Smart investors choose proven, reliable ETFs for steady long-term growth. Letting emotions take over during market dips can be a real challenge. When markets dip, beginners often panic and sell at the worst possible moment. Remember, market fluctuations are natural. Staying calm and committed to your strategy during downturns is the real secret to lasting investment success. Now imagine yourself several years from today, living comfortably, free from financial stress, and enjoying life without worrying about money. This isn't a fantasy, it's completely achievable through smart investing. ETFs aren't reserved for financial experts. They're specifically designed for people just like you. Simple, straightforward, and effective. Today you've uncovered exactly which ETFs to choose, learned how easy it is to get started, and recognized pitfalls to avoid along the way. So the real question now is, will you take control and begin building your financial future today? Your future self is watching eagerly, ready to thank you for taking this crucial step toward financial independence.